Is your home overdue for a spring cleaning? If so, this message is for you. Today I'm sharing some simple tactics you can take right now that will help your home stay clean and organized all year long. I'm Richard Eimers with Eimers Group by eXp Realty. And the strategy that made the biggest difference for me is set a schedule for daily and weekly cleaning. We've all been there. You put off vacuuming or mopping your floor for a few days, only to realize that weeks have passed. Here are a few of our favorite strategies. Number 1, designate a day of the week for each task. Number 2, create a shared schedule that assigns specific responsibilities to each member of the household. And 3, carve out 15 minutes a day for cleaning and decluttering. It may take some trial and error to find the tactics that work best for you. The most important thing is to make a habit of cleaning so that clutter and grime don't have a chance to build. Check out our blog post for more home cleaning and organization ideas. You can find a link in the caption. Then reach out if you need referrals for housekeepers, window washers, or any other home service providers. And remember, we're not just here to help you buy or sell your home. We want to help you love living in it too.